Welcome to tutorial number 2, Purchasing Tracks. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain to you how to purchase, download, and also how to delete tracks from your device. Let's begin by tapping the icon in the upper left corner, the folder with the clouds inside. Inside this view, you'll see topics, artists, and sounds. Go ahead and tap the word artists. Now you will be able to see an alphabetical list of all the artists that have created vocal files. This list scrolls downward or upwards. So if you're in the A's, but you want to get to an artist that's in the S's, you don't need to scroll all the way downwards. You can scroll upwards and jump right to the end of the alphabet. Go ahead and tap the name of any artist. You should now be looking at a smaller window with a scrollable list of tracks created by that artist. On the left side is an image or a photo of the artist. Go ahead and tap any of those images. This will open up a mini bio of the artist and may include a link to their website. Go ahead and hit close. If you go ahead and tap any of the track names, you'll notice they scroll horizontally. This allows you to read the full title in case some of it is out of view. The demo button for each artist vocal track will play the first 2 minutes of the full-length track. This allows you to sample and hear the artist's voice before you purchase the entire track. Go ahead now and hit the buy button for any of the tracks. This will again open up a small window which will show an image or photo of the artist, the title of the track, the artist's name, the length of the track, and the cost of the track in crystals. The cost in crystals for each track is exactly the same as the number of minutes for each track. So if a track is 10 minutes long, it will cost 10 crystals. You can now do one of two things at this part of the tutorial. If you want to purchase the track you're looking at, go ahead and hit the purchase button. You'll see it download, and then a window will open up that has the title Purchase Tracks. If you don't want to purchase it, hit cancel and I'll get you to that same window. Go ahead and hit close on the window underneath it. Now at the top of your screen, hit the second icon at the top, the one with the folder and the mobile device inside. Now everyone should be looking at a small window that says Purchase Tracks. After you've purchased a track or downloaded a free tutorial track, they'll appear in this window. And here you can sample it and listen to your full-length track, or you can delete it from your device. Now normally you wouldn't delete one from your device that you just purchased, but at any point in the future, if you want to delete a track from your device, you do it from here by hitting the X. Go ahead and hit the close button at the bottom of the Purchase Tracks window, and we're going to go back to where we were. Go ahead and hit the icon in the upper left corner, the folder with the clouds inside. Now hit the word Topics. All of the artist's vocal tracks can be grouped into one of 5 of these topics. So if you have a preference for one of these, pick the style that you like the most to see all the vocal tracks done in that style by all the artists. Go ahead now and tap the word sounds. These are all the non-vocal tracks and includes ASMR sounds, background noise, binaural tones, and relaxing music. Go ahead and tap any of those categories. A window will pop up which will enable you to demo or buy any of these tracks. Go ahead and tap the image over on the left side of any track. Similar to the artist vocal tracks, it will show you the name of the artist and a little bio of the artist, and also may include a link to the artist. Go ahead and hit the close button. Similar to before, if you tap the title of any of the tracks, it will scroll horizontally so you can read the entire title. The demo button will provide a 30-second sample of the entire full-length soundtrack. Go ahead and tap a buy button for any of the soundtracks. All soundtracks have 2 things in common. They're all about 2 minutes long, created to loop seamlessly, and they all cost 5 crystals each. This now ends tutorial number 2, purchasing tracks.